got it. Alright, so now we got the wood in place. You can see brand new wood, inch and a half by 1 inch. Popular we put back in. He's stepping back the aluminum, the rubber mallet. You can see the top's already done, that side's done, basically the same thing. And once we got that all put back to where it was, we'll start attaching the seal. Screw under here that had to come out, put a new one in. Alright, so what you'll be getting in your roof seal kit is basically a roll of vinyl material. One's a 6 1/4, one's a 7 1/4. 6 1/4 going on the top, 7 1/4 going on the sides. You see, you put it up flush with the roof. Just staple it. Once you got her tag to it, get your jig. You don't need a jig, basically just 1 inch from the edge. You make a whole line of staples so that it can one other thing you'll notice is that if you take your old one off, you'll see that it's 2 small pieces put together like this. The new one will come in just 1 big piece. And then you 1 1/4 by 2 1/2, I believe. And then you just attach it in 6-inch increments, staple it to the edge in the standing or the upright position. Just make sure you got a little left over on the edge here. So again, in all this, this whole seal replacement deal, we use an 18 gauge by 3/8 by 3/8 stapling this. And then once you got your foam attached, you start bringing this, wrapping this seal around like this. Stapling. You pull on the ends to get all the wrinkles out. You start from the middle. And the whole idea is instead of the double foam, this won't lay down as easy. Just make sure when you're bringing this around that you're tucking this in so you're not pushing it over. So that it's just a few wrinkles, but that'll be okay. You see, it's nice and straight and not laying down. And you'll also see that we got the roof tilted forward. Don't necessarily need to do this. If you can, it's definitely better. But the reason we did it because we have to work on some of the material that's holding the flaps here that's behind the roof. That's the idea why we tipped it forward.